How's it going, guys? My name's Rami and my voice is gone. I apologize for that in advance. I'm a little sick, recovering from a sickness, but so excited to show you what we got in store today. In today's video, we're gonna do a little product review. This product is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. I thought it was a cool product and just another form of transportation for the RQ's Garage channel. So behind me is an electric scooter that I bought from AliExpress for just $110. Yes, that cheap. We're gonna open it up, see what we got inside, review it, see if it's any good or not. For $100 or so, who knows? Let's give it a shot. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's get after it. Okay, so this is what it comes like out of the box. This guy's got to get installed. There's 2 screws in the front. In the box, looks like it comes with a charger, which of course you need. Allen wrenches and all the screws you need to set up. Oh, there's 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And of course a little guide on how to do it. Okay, so of course you got to assemble it. So there's 2 screws right here. They give you all the hardware and the Allen keys, which is actually kind of nice. Well, these aren't lined up properly at all. As you can see, they're not, the holes aren't even straight. The hole to the thread, there's like a 1/4 inch gap or an 1/8 inch gap. It's not straight at all. So we'll still try our best to put these on, but it's like, so I guess the price you pay, right? All right, so while I'm tightening up these screws, a couple things to mention about this scooter. It claims to go 19 miles an hour, which is kind of cool for how cheap it is. And they say it goes 19 miles of range, so 20 miles of range, give or take. I'm about 200 pounds. So I've seen videos where people are claiming that they get anywhere between like 15 and 22 miles, depending on their weight. There's a couple different settings. There's like a normal setting and a sport mode. Those also affect your range. I think you get the full speed on the sport mode, which is cool. There's also an app. So, I mean, I'll download the app. I'll see what it looks like. The app tracks how far you're going. There's like GPS on it to tell you where you are in the distance. But people have also said the app is not extremely reliable because they have like, they'll use a Garmin, a watch, or an Apple Watch, and they'll track their distance, and it's not consistent with the app. So, I mean, cool features for how cheap it is. As you can tell, these screws are not lining up properly, which is really annoying my OCD. But again, these are just some things. All right, so here it is, fully assembled. Again, the 2 screws in the back, 2 screws in the front. I think it looks really nice. I love the design. I love the black, gray, and red accents it's got. It's got nice cushions for your hands. The brake is right here. There's a bell. I didn't even know there was a bell. Screen's right here, power button. It's grippy. Got the kickstand. And yeah, the best thing about this is its portability. I'm not a scooter guy, so I don't know a lot about them. But from what I understand, they're super light. And it's very easy to transport if you needed to. You pop open the front clip. Bring it down. And just like that, you can literally just put it in the back of your trunk and get it moving if wherever you need it to go. All right, so we turn it on. You just press and hold the power button. Looks like right now it's in sport mode. Shows you how fast you're going. It looks like we got a full charge. To change different modes, you double click the power button. Now we're in eco. Do it again. Now we're in drive, and of course at a default of sport mode. You click once, and the front headlight turns on. Click it again, turns off. Of course, to power off, you press and hold the power button. Again, looks like we've got a full charge. I'm actually gonna charge this for a couple hours, make sure it's fully charged. and then we're gonna go get it on the road and get it a test run. All right, well, now it's fully charged, so let's give it a ride.
All right, so first things first, riding this scooter, I gotta say, it's a lot of fun. I don't really ride electric scooters too often, but I had a really fun time cruising around in my neighborhood in this scooter. I think it's got a great build to it. It picks up pretty well. From 0 to 10 miles an hour gets pretty quick. And then as you're going from 10 to the proposed 19 mile an hour max, it takes its time, mile per hour by mile per hour. But it is a lot of fun, and it's just great to cruise around in. To keep note, the 19 mile an hour top speed is only in sport mode. When you're in eco drive, it only goes up to 8 miles an hour. And then when you're in regular drive or D mode, it goes up to 11 miles an hour. Again, to conserve battery life depending on the different modes you're in. But it's really nimble. It's super lightweight, easy to maneuver around. Turning is really easy. And just the pickup is okay. It's front wheel drive, keep in mind. So the front wheel has to stay planted to get the traction going. And the rear wheel has the brakes. So it's balanced pretty well, in my opinion. I mean, right now you can see I'm picking up a good amount of speed, and you just got to be careful because the bumps are pretty aggressive on this scooter. And again, the build is pretty good. Aside from those 4 screws, the tack welds, the design, I think they kind of nailed it with the gray, black, red combo on this scooter. The platform is built pretty well. All the accessories they offer is really nice too. The wheels have this honeycomb halo shape to them. And the wheels are kind of the downfall on this ride because it's super harsh. I mean, you feel every bump on the road, and it's really harsh, and you just feel the vibration from your arms to your body. So it's not the most comfortable ride, but you can go over all terrain, that's for sure, with this scooter. Headlight, really nice. The handles, the brake handle, it's all built very well, honestly, when it comes to just the good touch points on this scooter. And you got a nice base, again, good design. The charge port is on the front left. Again, really easy. It just pops right out with that silicone cover. Charges pretty quick. I want to say I brought it up from like 50% to 100% in probably about an hour. So it's a good speed in terms of charging. And yeah, just really cool design. And I really enjoyed riding it around. Got a good feel for what it's like on the road. And yeah. But overall, that is the scooter. It's a really easy drive, really fun. I mean, anyone can do it. There's no training or no learning curve that you have to take on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I enjoyed doing it because it was really fun. The scooter has a lot of great features, like the brake light, the headlight, good design, pretty affordable. I was able to pick this up for $117. I'll link the description below on the scooter. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts about this scooter.